Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to take this plug and change it into a GFCI plug.
So this is a kitchen area that came with the house. My daughter, who lives with us, uses the kitchen area to prepare her meals and perform other kitchen area tasks. Although there is no water source in the kitchen area itself, we do have a sink and a dishwasher right around the corner in a utility room. So obtain a little bit of extra protection for this kitchen area, I'm going to install a GFCI outlet. So what does GFCI stand for? It stands for Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter. That means it's a safety device that is built inside the outlet itself that shuts down anytime there is a fluctuation in current, making the outlet unusable, thus protecting the person who may be holding an appliance that is plugged into the GFCI outlet. GFCI outlets are mandated anywhere there's a water source within 3 to 6 feet. Although this is a simple household project, it probably will need some comfortability when working with electricity. First thing we need to do is make sure that the electricity is off before you pull out the old receptacle. Go to where the main service panel is, locate the breaker that serves the area that you'll be working in, and turn off the breaker for the outlet. As always, you need to confirm the power is actually off. If you don't have an electrical meter, the easiest way to confirm there is no power at the old outlet is to plug an appliance into the outlet and see if the appliance works. Okay, the lamp is not coming on. That's a pretty good indication we don't have power at the outlet. Normally I would just use my meter to check the power, but I figured today I would try a simpler way to check the power for the people who might not have a meter. But I still might have to use my meter if the other outlet is on the same circuit. So let's take the cover off and see what we got. Okay, well, right away I noticed we've got 2 black and 2 white wires in there. So that means this plug is probably feeding the outlet on the other side of the kitchen area. I separated the wires in order to check to see which wire is the power coming from the electrical service box. As you can see, these 2 wires are power coming from the circuit breaker. The reason for this is the new GFCI outlet requires the power from the circuit breaker to be terminated on the top of the new outlet and the other existing wires to be terminated on the bottom of the new outlet. By simply plugging in an appliance, we were able to confirm we had no power, but there's no guarantee which wire is the wire coming from the circuit breakers. On the GFCI outlet, we will be attaching the black power wire to the gold screws on this side. Power coming in will be on the top and power going out to the other outlet on the bottom. On the new GFCI outlet, we have the green screw in which we will connect the bare copper ground wire. The other bare copper wire is connected inside the electrical box. Next, we are going to connect the black wires. The GFCI outlet is clearly marked where the power wire is connected and where the other black wire for the other plug will be connected. The outlet has holes where the wires will go. After we insert the wire in the hole, we tighten the screws for a very good connection. Now we do the same procedure we did for the black wires to the common white wires. As always, the common wires use the silver color. Okay, let's push all the wires back in the electrical box and we'll finish this up. Now we finish up by putting the cover back on. When the GFCI outlet has power, the green light will be on. To test the GFCI outlet, we push the test button. That will simulate an unsafe condition and disconnect the power to the plugs being protected. After the test, you will need to push the reset button to return the power to the plugs. Now we're good to go. If in the event the GFCI trips because it sensed a problem, you can reset the GFCI and power will come back on, but only if the GFCI senses that the problem has been corrected.
If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.